nation of colors, strong and free. From the sunrise hills to the ocean wide, we stand together with hope and pride.
On the 16th day of September, a dream became reality. 51 years of independence, a journey of courage and unity. Our fathers fought, our mothers prayed for the freedom we celebrate today. With the red, black, and gold flying high, our PNG spirit will never die. Oh, my PNG, my land, my home. Wherever I go, your heart I carry on. 1975 to 2026, 51 years of freedom we live. One nation, one people, one destiny. Together forever, Papua New Guinea. Happy independence, let our voices sing. Proud to be part of this beautiful land.
Werex music.
From the highlands, mountains to the islands blue. Many cultures, but one heart true. Talk pissing voices, English and Hirimo too. Our stories and traditions will shine through. The children of tomorrow will proudly stand, building a future for this great land. With love and respect, we will unite, keeping PNG's future bright. Oh, my PNG, my land, my home. Wherever I go, your heart I carry on. 1975 to 2026, 51 years of freedom we live. One nation, one people, one destiny. Together forever, Papua New Guinea. Happy independence, let our voices sing. Proud to be part of this beautiful land. PNG, this is our home, our past, our present, our future. Raise your hands, let the world know our melanation spirit continues to grow. For every child